is the 9th of July 2021. We even got inside the last staircase in this residential building that I had to film on. Raaseporintie 1 staircase D, and we have all the film and got the code at the same time. That's amazing. So everyone else who wants to film this can also film it later. Built in 1963 by ValmetSchlieren. As long as it's not modernized. It's turning 60 years old in 2023 when it will be inspected again, and as your number is, has 361 with 8 floors. And these are actually slower than on Raaseporintie because I'm swinging, but still amazing. Still worth filming all of them.
Yeah.
Yes, and this is in the Itäkeskus Östercentrum, East Center. Here in Helsinki, East Helsinki. Helsinki is for Finland. It's maintained by Espoo Hissi, but still original. And Lift Institute Nordic is the inspector. And we are going to do a second ride, which is silent. It's the combined ground and basement floor here. Or probably street level gaatuplan can also be.
Of course.
Yeah. And now a second ride, silent. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. And please, you can also watch all the other staircases here. This takes us A, B, and D.
That's